Hello, the date is the 26th of March 2020 and the time is about 8:30 p.m. and I just saw this star in the sky flashing. Oh my goodness, what is that? Oh, that is incredibly supernatural. How can anybody say that that is not supernatural? That is a sign from Jehovah of the coming destruction of Babylon the Great, which is Watchtower. And yeah, that's very strange. Let me see if we can zoom out in again. I need to get in a bit closer. Nope, it's not getting in any closer. Oh, are we getting closer? Yes, we are. There we go. Oh my goodness, what is that? This is in the south. We've just had National Clapping Day and I just took a picture of the moon, which was very it was very like a reddy colour, and I didn't know it was National Clapping Day for the NHS today at 8 o'clock, so I thought, well, maybe they are clapping for Watchtower's destruction. Maybe Jehovah's done that, just timed me perfectly. That is a supernatural star. By I don't even know what that star is, to be honest. I'll have to check it out. But I noticed it flashing earlier. Oh my goodness, look at that. Now, if that's not supernatural, what is? That is a sign from Jehovah that we're about to enter the Great Tribulation. Oh my goodness, look at that. That's a beauty. Oh, nobody can deny this. Oh my goodness, that is amazing. That's the best supernatural star I've ever captured on camera. You see, if you remember in 539 BC, Jehovah destroyed Babylon by the writing on the wall. And it said, Mene, Mene, Tekel and Parsin, which meant your kingdom has been going to be destroyed, has been weighed in the balance and will be destroyed. And this is a sign from Jehovah that on the 7th of well, Belshazzar, he celebrated his feast, didn't he? But Jehovah's Witnesses celebrate their feast of the Lord's evening meal, the memorial of Jesus' death, and that will be a feast day, and Jehovah's going to destroy them through this kind of thing, supernatural means. I'm absolutely convinced of it. Look, that's shrinking now. That's focused 200 times zoom, and it is, oh my goodness. I'll try and zoom out again.